name is Daniel. I'm going to be giving you business information, business tips on how to start a business, how to run a business, how to grow your business, different things about businesses. Today, I'm going to be teaching you about wholesaling. If you want to learn how to use AI to build your business, to help you with things you want to learn, go down below, comment AI. I can also do videos teaching how I use AI to improve my business, to help my Google listings, and to just help me in overall life as well. Today I'm going to be telling you some of the tips about wholesaling and how you can get started today. If you want to get started in wholesaling today, I suggest the first step for you to do is to find your market. You're going to want to find your market. And what does that mean? Your market is where you're going to be looking for properties, for distressed properties, for motivated sellers. Distressed properties are houses that need work, that might be abandoned, that might have tall grass, might have caught a fire, might have been getting built and the person lost funds, so they weren't able to complete the build. Things around those lines. If you want to learn more about distressed properties, go down below, comment distressed properties, and I'll make a complete video all about distressed properties. So I need your help to let me know what other videos to make, what other videos can I make to help you guys, okay? So next, after you find your market, so for me, I'm in Connecticut. My market is New Haven County and Fairfield County. That's where I like to work. It's not too far for me to travel. When I do find a deal, I don't have to go an hour out of my way too far. Maybe an hour, but not 3 hours, and I don't have to worry about doing virtual, where virtual is great, but when you do virtual, you either have to JV with someone who's there as boots in the ground, find someone there, a realtor or someone on Craigslist as boots on the ground to go inspect the property, take photos. And if you want to learn more about boots on the ground and doing virtual, go down below and comment virtual or boots on the ground, okay? If you're on that step of your journey. If you're still a beginner, well, stay tuned. I know I'm all over the place, bear with me. Okay, so first we're gonna want to do is find your market. Once you have your market and they say that New York isn't the best market, so if you do live in New York and you're watching this, you might have to go virtual. So hit that subscribe button, hit the follow button, because I will be dropping videos on virtual, on boots on the ground, on building lists, and everything else you need to do to further your wholesaling journey. Okay? All right, so second, after you find your market, and just before I leave that section, a quick way to find your market is to go on Zillow or go on Google and type in what is your market average house sold for. You want your market average house to be sold for around $400,000. Also, you want to look up your market's population of people. You want the population of people to be around 100,000 or higher. You don't want a place that has lower than 100,000, because it's possible to do wholesale deals. It's just going to be a little tougher. Okay, so that's part of finding your market. If you want a more in-detailed video on just market, hit the subscribe button, hit the follow button, and follow to the end of this video, because I'm going to give you one great tip on finding your market, okay? So after you have your market found out, next what you want to do is start building a list. The best ways to build a list are going to be government lists, they're going to be paid lists, it's going to be marketing, as in direct mail, as in driving for dollars, as in reverse driving for dollars. So driving for dollars and reverse driving for dollars is the process. I like to do them both together, hand by hand. So that's when you get in your car, and if you don't have a car, what you can do is walking for dollars, you know. If you have a bike, you could do riding for dollars, you know. I hope you get the point. So pretty much what you do is you go out and you go around your city or town and you look for homes that look distressed, homes that have tall grass, homes that need work. The roof is messed up, the windows might be messed up, the gutter's full of dirt, paint faded, tarps hanging from the property, and things around those lines. All right, so once you start doing that, you want to at least maybe try to build a list of 20 to 50 houses a day. Say, you know, you drive around, but that's driving for dollars. So then reverse driving for dollars is going to be when you take those addresses down from each property that you find, you want to put a letter on the door, or a sticky note, something around those lines, a note pretty much to the homeowner saying, hi, my name is Daniel, I want to buy your property for cash. Or, hi, my name is Daniel, I have a question, please call me at, and you put your phone number and you wait for them to give a call. I highly suggest the second option where you don't mention buying the property, so you scare them away. But then again, sometimes I like to do the first option because it doesn't leave your phone ringing with a bunch of people who aren't interested in selling their phone but just want to talk. Oh, not your phone, sorry. Who aren't interested in selling their house, but you know, calling you, hey, I got a note from you, and then you're like, I want to buy your house, and they're like, no, don't call me again, don't come by my house. At least if you leave a note and it says, hi, my name is Daniel, I want to buy your house. Now, when they call you, most likely they want to sell. They're not going to call you for no reason. So I feel like for your best ROI, which is return on investment, or ROT, which is return on time, your best option is to say, hey, my name is Daniel, I'm interested in buying your property. Please give me a call back at, and you put your phone number there. And now if they call you because it's a deal, not because they just want to see what's going on. All right. So that's going to be driving for dollars and reverse driving for dollars. It's going out in your car, taking a walk, riding your bike, however you find best to commute around your city, finding distressed properties, taking down the address, and you're going to find out why you need to take down that address later in the video. You're going to take down the address, you're going to leave a note on the address. So now you're doing two sources of marketing at the same time. You're doing inbound and outbound because you're leaving a letter there, which makes them call you, and you're also taking their address and street name so that later you can call them, okay? And that's why you have to keep watching to the end of the video, where I'll tell you how do you get the contact information for all these properties that you find, all right? And you're going to use the same way to find contact information for all the properties, whether it's government list, whether it's driving for dollars, reverse driving for dollars, or any of those other marketing sources that I'm going to give you in this video. Okay, I don't want to make the video too long. Like I said, this is my first video. I'm trying to give you a lot of the information I learned, and this video is for beginners who are looking to get started. If you have any other questions and I'm skipping over something, please go down below in the comments and I'll make sure to do another video where I get to any of your questions that need to be answered. All right, so we covered marketing. All right, after you find your market, so you have to find your market. That's first. Second, you have to build a list in your market. So that's going to be your list is distressed properties, a list that you have, that you built, that you're going to call. You can go online, get a paid list. There's probably 20 other wholesalers who's calling the same paid list. So your best bet is to go out, build your own list, go in your neighborhood, go to the city hall, get those government lists. Some ideas of government lists could be tax liens, divorce records, probate. And if you want more and another video on government lists and what are the sources to find those contacts and information, go down below and comment government list, and I'll be sure to do another video, as well as make sure you hit the subscribe button and the follow button. So now once you found your market, you built your list. Now what you want to do is skip trace. This is where I told you the address that you got from the house when you were driving for dollars. Now you're going to do a process called skip tracing. So you're going to take that property address and you're going to go, first what I would recommend, and this is the easiest way I found, is go onto a website named PropWire. You're going to go on PropWire, make an account, log in. It's free. Because once you do that, now you can type the address into PropWire, and sometimes it works, sometimes it's not the best, but I do use it. And the good thing about it is it shows you the owner's name. So now why that's crucial is you're going to go to your notes where you have the address. You're going to write down the owner's name with the address. And now you're going to go to another website named US Phone Book. Now on US Phone Book, what you're going to do is type in the address and search for the address on US Phone Book. Once you search for the address on US Phone Book, what you're going to do is find the name of the owner to match to the address. Now you should be provided with a phone number for that client. Now you're gonna write down the phone number with the address and the name and repeat the process for every lead on your list. If you want to learn how you can get free skip tracing in bulk so you can save the time from doing every lead individually, go down below and type in free skip tracing, and I'll do another video showing you guys how I do free skip tracing and save myself hours and hours of work by doing each one individual. But for beginners, this is the easiest way to get started and to understand the process. So first, let's repeat again. You want to find your market. Second, you want to build your list. Third, you want to skip trace your list, getting the information for every property on your list, okay? Now, after you have your market, you built your list, you skip trace your list, so now you're ready to start marketing and cold calling. Marketing and cold calling can be you calling these numbers, asking, hi, I'm interested. Hi, I have a question about your property. Any chance you might be interested in selling? Another way you can start doing is direct mail, sending out letters to these clients and saying, hi, we buy properties in the area. Might you be interested in selling? Now, none of these ways are guaranteed to lock in a deal, but these are the ways you get started in wholesaling. If you want to be on the way to making $10,000, $20,000, and living a life of freedom where you don't have to work a 9 to 5 every day or be stressed out about how you're going to get food in the fridge and how you're going to take care of your family and live a better life, this is the way. So go down below and hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and make sure that you follow to keep growing. And so I can teach you how to become financially free the way I became financially free, okay? Because at the end of the day, it's all up to you. Now, number 5, you have the market. You found your market. You built your list. You skip trace your list, right? You started cold calling, marketing to them, direct mail, calling them, reaching out to potential leads, trying to find this next deal. And mind you, these deals are houses you've seen that were distressed. You drove by them. You left letters at them. So you know personally, these houses need work, right? So now the next step is going to be setting up appointments. Once you skip trace and you talk to them, now it's finding appointments, identifying which leads are cold and which leads are warm. And what do I mean by that is you're going to find a lot of leads that they want to sell, but they don't need to sell. Now, as a wholesaler, we are helping people who are in need to sell. They don't want to sell because they just don't want the house anymore, so they're trying to sell it up price. No, they're in a position where they need to sell. And yes, a lot of people say wholesaling is fraud or scam, but no. We're in the business to help people in need and to match them with the right buyer to help them and get them out of the position where they're at and move on with their life. You know, some people, they just need to sell and they don't know how to find a buyer. They don't like messing with realtors. And that's where us as wholesalers come in. So once you can identify the deals that are actually motivated sellers and the deals that are not, you're going to have way more success and you're going to save way more time on your journey with every deal. You don't want to set meetings with people who you're going to go see their house, but they're trying to charge you too much. It's above property value. And a quick way to find property value is to go on Zillow after you talk to the client and you discover that, hey, yes, this person is interested in selling. You want to go on Zillow and get a quick estimate on what's the property estimate at the moment. Now, that doesn't give you the ARV on the property, which is after repair value, but it does give you something to go off of now. Now, if you want to learn how you get to make an offer price, how do you calculate an offer price to offer them on their properties, go down below and comment offer price, and I'll do another video on how you can calculate a great offer in a couple seconds to be able to give these clients when you do get them on the phone. I'm going to tell you one tip, and this is the tip I told you in the beginning of the video. You had to stay here till the end to know. Don't give up, and every no leads to a yes. So this is something I learned from my mentors early on in getting started. You're going to get 100 no's maybe, and then you're going to get that one yes. But that one yes is worth it. So don't give up and keep grinding, keep trying. And before you know it, your life is going to be different the same way mine is. I'm not who I was before I learned everything I am today, or who I am, or how to work, or owner financing and seller financing, and all these different ways that we can change our life that a lot of us don't grow up knowing because the school system doesn't show us this. All right? So that one tip I'm going to tell you is get used to rejection, get used to the answer no, but just know that there's the sun on the end of every tunnel, you know? And if you keep grinding, you stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, I promise to show you everything that I know, and for free. I'm not here to charge you guys. All I'm here is to show the world that, hey, it's possible to change our life, and that, you know, if you do need to sell your house, well, we're here to help, and we know how to help. You can find us on Google under Rosario Homes. You can also find my moving company there under Finished First Movers. And if you don't believe that I'm saying and it's possible, go look me up. Hey, go find me. You'll see who I am. My name is Daniel. I think that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you found my 5 tips useful. And if you want another video like this, please go down below, comment, drop another video, leave a thumbs up. Thanks.